Hi, my name is Gabby. I'm a student physical therapist. Is it okay if I feel some structures of your hip and thigh today and record it for educational purposes?
Yes.
Okay, so first we're going to start with the gluteus maximus. Fibers start at that iliac crest in towards the PSIS and then also down on the greater trochanter into that gluteal tuberosity. Fibers running inferolaterally. So I'm going to strum across those fibers. And then for its muscle action, I'm just going to have you lift your leg up towards the ceiling. Perfect. Back down. And then next is going to be the piriformis muscle. So I'm going to draw a T shape kind of on that lateral border of your sacrum, and then on the greater trochanter, making a T. Strum those fibers up and down. And then its action is external rotation. Maybe bend your knee and move it in that way. So do it against my resistance. Perfect. All right, back down. And then next is the quadratus femoris. So first I'm going to slide my hand up, find your ischial tuberosity, then go back over to the greater trochanter and meet about halfway in between, strumming those fibers up and down. And it's going to be that same movement we just did. So push against my hand. Perfect. I feel those fibers pop into my hand. All right, and then next we're going to do the hamstring group as a whole. All right, so I'm just going to grab that muscle bulk here. Kind of strum those fibers up and down. And then for its action, I'm going to have you bend your knee and then push against my hand. Perfect. I can feel those fibers contract. All right, next we're going to find your psoas major. So I'm going to start by finding your ASIS. I'm going to lift your shirt up a little bit to find your belly button. We're going to go about halfway in between there. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, I'm going to sink into those fibers. And then I'm going to have you lift your leg up towards the ceiling. Feel those fibers contract. Perfect. And then next we're going to go to the iliacus, finding the ASIS first. And kind of hooking my fingers around it. Feeling those fibers. And then I'm going to have you again lift your leg up towards the ceiling, back down. Perfect. Next I'm going to find your tensor fasciae lata. So again, going from that ASIS towards around the greater trochanter, but not quite there, just a little bit before it. I'm going to strum those fibers, and then I'm going to have you turn your toes in towards your other toes. Perfect. All right, and then next is going to be your adductors group as a whole. I'm going to expose your thigh here, and I'm going to feel that muscle bulk right in the middle here of the thigh. And I'm going to place my hand on the inside of your knee and ask you to bring that leg in towards your other leg. Perfect, I can feel those fibers contract. And is it okay if I feel up towards the groin area?
Yes.
All right, so up here we're going to find the tendon of the adductor group. And from there I can find the pectineus muscle. So starting right here at that tendon, I'm going to move a little bit lateral and up. And then I'm going to have you do that same thing, push against my hand. Perfect, I can feel those fibers contract. Last thing, we're going to find your vastus medialis. So if you straighten your leg out, which is its action, you can see that teardrop formation right here.